I recently read a very interesting article about how strip mining coal operations and coal operations in general are going bankrupt because the world is realizing that we need to get our carbon cycle in check to solve the climate crisis that we have globally. Furthermore, uh, other energy solutions are becoming more cost effective than conventional coal, and that's excluding the detrimental environmental impact, the costs, those costs. That's excluding those costs. So coal is on the outs, and the problem, though, is that in the article, which really caught me by surprise, is there were serious talks about how the U.S. government should consider bailing the industry out. And that really is very unattractive in my opinion. I think it's very unattractive to all U.S. taxpayers. We don't want bailouts. We got to find a better solution. So I was thinking, hey, we need to repurpose. If we can find a way to repurpose those abandoned coal mining operations, we might have something. And so I started doing some Googling. I found some photographs of the different things, and what you see here is a strip mining operation, right? So here you got a strip mining operations, but here's another solution, a solution that we could repurpose this land with. It's called solar concentration. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these things, but the bottom line is this: is you concentrate the solar energy to that central thing, fulcrum there, and then that heats things up, and it produces steam, and it generates electricity similar to the way a coal plant would. Well, these strip mining operations, they're massive, right? And so you could potentially have multiples of these solar concentration plants on a single strip mining operation, right? And so now that wasted land that's of no longer any value now has value. Those folks that have a stake in those strip mining lands can now have a revenue source. But more importantly, we can put the coal miners to work producing clean, renewable energy without all the negative health effects, the problems that coal mining puts on coal miners' health, right? So that's one way to repurpose the land. But then I got to thinking a little more, and actually I found this map. It's a map of abandoned coal mines across the country, right? So there's a major need to repurpose these lands. So then I started looking at the National Renewable Energy Laboratory's wind map. So I kind of got to thinking, maybe what we could do in some cases is, in addition to having solar concentration and solar operations on those lands, we could produce wind energy on those lands. So now we got solar, wind, but what is the holy grail for all of the renewable energy solutions? The holy grail is storage. And lately, the big storage solution that you hear a lot about is lithium-ion batteries. And Tesla's got the gigafactories. Well, these gigafactories could be basically put anywhere, and abandoned coal mining operations may be a really good fit to put something like that. But, lithium-ion is not the only solution for storing renewable energy. Ammonia, which is NH3, is another solution. The hydrogen in the ammonia molecules is where you get the energy, and you can burn it and that type of thing and produce energy. It's a carbon-free energy solution. Furthermore, there's sodium-ion batteries, and who knows what. There's going to be more energy storage solutions coming down the pipe. And so what we can do is convert from fossil fuels to renewable energy solutions and storage. And then we won't